Hello students, welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep. We have a good news today. RPNLUP Prayagraj has released their application link for the vacant seats that have been updated. So let's take a look at that. Get into our Abhyaas LawPrep website where we regularly update all the NLUs that have released vacant seat notifications. At 25th place is RPNLUP Prayagraj. Click on the notification. So as we can clearly see here, for the All India General category, we have 10 seats, and for EWS of Uttar Pradesh, we have 3 seats, and for OBC NCL of Uttar Pradesh, there is 9 seats, and for SC of Uttar Pradesh, there is 5 seats. So all the other students not belonging to Uttar Pradesh shall apply for the general seats, right? Even though you are an SC or All India EWS category, you'll still fall under the general category of this particular university. So make sure the deadline for this is 2 p.m. July 7th. So make sure you fill the form before July 7th, and as such there's no eligibility. Whoever has cleared CLAT, whoever has appeared for CLAT can fill in this form, as there is no application fee also. So you just need to have all of the self-attested copies. So you need to have what are the self-attested copies? Just get a Xerox of all of the certificates and put a signature at the end of it. So that they are called the self-attested copies. Okay, so you need to have all these documents: Aadhaar, passport, voter ID. You can have one of these, and then have your migration certificate from your +1, +2 or intermediate college, and then also have your CAT certificate. And if you are applying for any category, so you can have your category certificate, and also have your class 12 mark sheet and class 10 certificate and your recent passport size color photograph. So have all of this self-attested copies along with you, and then click on this link for the registration. So enter all your details correctly: your name, your mobile number, email ID, your admit card, all India rank, what is your vertical category. So and then you have if there's any horizontal categories that are applicable. If you're a woman of Uttar Pradesh, or probably anything as such. Even if you're not a woman of Uttar Pradesh, if you're still a woman, you can still choose one. And if you are Kashmiri Pandit or Kashmiri migrants, if you have such any reservations, you can also click on the same. And make sure you upload all these documents, self-attested documents, in a single PDF, and make sure you apply it here. After combining all your self-attested copies of all these documents into a single PDF form. And then also upload your passport size colored photograph. Do the attestation on that as well before you upload it. And then click on submit. And that's it. You're done with filling up this vacant seat application. All the best. Stay tuned for more updates and keep following up to whichever NLU you have applied or fulfilled the vacant seat forms. Thank you.